Namaskar. Welcome to your daily current affairs revision for competitive exams. This content is based on verified news sources. I am going to cover 7 important topics in the next 8 minutes. Let us dive right in. What changes have been made to the FDI policy for investments from land border countries? The Cabinet has approved changes in the FDI policy to provide a definitive timeline for investments in critical sectors requiring approval. The amendments aim to unlock greater FDI inflows from global funds for startups and deep techs, and to take forward the agenda of ease of doing business. The existing policy has been reviewed and amended to incorporate the definition and criteria for determination of beneficial owner, and to expedite clearance of investments in specific sectors. This topic is relevant for the economy section of the GS syllabus, specifically for questions related to FDI policy and ease of doing business. Key takeaways: definition and criteria for beneficial owner. Expedited clearance of investments in specific sectors. FDI policy amendments to unlock greater FDI inflows. What are the key features of the extended Jal Jeevan Mission? The Cabinet has approved the extension of the Jal Jeevan Mission period up to December 2028 with an enhanced outlay and restructured implementation focusing on structural reforms in the rural drinking water supply sector. The mission aims to provide tap water connections to all rural households and to promote community ownership and participation in the operation and maintenance of water supply systems. This topic is relevant for the general section of the GS syllabus, specifically for questions related to government schemes and initiatives. Key takeaways: extension of Jal Jeevan Mission up to December 2028. Enhanced outlay and restructured implementation. Focus on community ownership and participation. How is India diversifying its energy basket? India has started sourcing its crude oil from 40 countries and is exploring new energy options, including additional gas supply sources from Australia and Canada. The diversification of India's energy basket is aimed at bolstering its energy security and reducing dependence on a single source of energy. This topic is relevant for the international relations section of the GS syllabus, specifically for questions related to energy security and diplomacy. Key takeaways: diversification of India's energy basket. Sourcing crude oil from 40 countries. Exploring new energy options. What is the current status of the Uniform Civil Code in India? The Supreme Court has observed that the time has come for a uniform civil code and has urged legislative action to implement it. The Uniform Civil Code aims to provide a common set of laws for all citizens, regardless of their religion, and to promote gender equality and social justice. This topic is relevant for the social issues section of the GS syllabus, specifically for questions related to Uniform Civil Code and social justice. Key takeaways: Supreme Court's observation on Uniform Civil Code. Legislative action required. Aim to promote gender equality and social justice. Who was Savitribai Phule and what was her contribution to Indian society? Savitribai Phule was a social reformer and educator who launched a movement to connect women with education and established the country's first school for girls. Savitribai Phule's work aimed to promote education and equality among women and to challenge social evils prevalent in society during her time. This topic is relevant for the general section of the GS syllabus, specifically for questions related to social reformers and their contributions. Key takeaways: Savitribai Phule's contribution to women's education. Establishment of the country's first school for girls. Social reform work. What is the significance of the India-EFTA TEPA? The India-EFTA TEPA is a trade and economic partnership agreement between India and the member states of the European Free Trade Association, which aims to promote trade, investment, and technology collaboration. The agreement is expected to open up high-income markets for Indian exporters and create an investment pathway of $100 billion over 15 years. This topic is relevant for the general section of the GS syllabus, specifically for questions related to international trade agreements and economic partnerships. Key takeaways: India-AFTA TEPA aims to promote trade and investment, opening up high-income markets for Indian exporters. Investment pathway of $100 billion over 15 years. How is AI impacting national security calculus? AI is being used in various military applications, including surveillance, cyber warfare, and lethal autonomous weapons systems, raising concerns about its impact on national security. The use of AI in military operations has sparked a debate about the need for regulations and international agreements to govern its development and deployment. This topic is relevant for the Science and Technology section of the GS syllabus, specifically for questions related to AI and national security. Key takeaways: AI's impact on national security calculus. Military applications of AI. Need for regulations and international agreements. That's all for today's current affairs. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for daily updates. All the best for your preparation.